Okay, this video is going to show you how to use your trade account on imeinetwork.com. imeinetwork is a resource for obtaining iPhone unlocks and network unlock codes for other smartphones. So once you've received your login, you've got some icons at the top here, and they're pretty self-explanatory. You've got a home button that'll bring you back to this area. You've got a buy credits big button, which will allow you to select how many credits you want and take your payment via PayPal, and those credits are added instantly, so you're not waiting around. Once you've got some credits on your account and you want to place an order, you go to process orders at the top and select the type of unlock that you want, which is normally IMEI unlocking. You click that. Just wait for this page to load up, because it is actually loading every service up in the background, so it can take some time. Okay, once it's loaded up, you'll have your first service box. Now this is the service you want to use to order an unlock code. You'll tend to find the majority of what we call worldwide codes, which are not really network relevant. So for example, Alcatel codes are there, BlackBerry codes are there. You'll get Samsung for Europe. There'll also be a Samsung for UK and Ireland. So you sort of have to work out which is going to be the cheapest and fastest route to go. If we scroll down, you'll have all your iPhone unlocks, and they'll be in alphabetical order with the country first. So for example, you've got Australia first, and then Austria and Brazil, Canada, and the UK ones will be down near the bottom. While we're talking about iPhones, there is a network check service. If you don't know which network the iPhone's locked to, you can use that. So that'll be down near the letter N for network. So you've got a checker there. You submit the IMEI number, that'll tell you which network and country it's locked to, and if there's a service available you can order the correct service. You'll also notice how many credits each unlock costs, where 1 credit equals 1 UK pound. So basically, if you wanted to order an unlock, say we want a Samsung code, we'd select that, and then it'll load up the waiting times for how long codes actually take. Now we have 2 waiting times. We have a benchmark waiting time, which is in blue, which will say that it's 1 day, but there'll be a red waiting time as well, which is actually a more realistic, it's like a rolling month of orders and how long they took on average, so around 12 hours. Your next box down, you'd enter your IMEI number. Now you can do multiple IMEIs if you've got 10 phones or 100 phones to unlock, or 2. You can put 1 on each line, for example like this. Now the next box down is the email address that the unlock codes are going to be sent to. This will default to the email address on the account, but if you wanted to send unlock codes direct to your customer, you could put their email address in there. Response SMS, that's to send the code by text to either yourself or to your customer. And then finally we've got notes at the bottom. Notes are for your reference really, so if you've got a customer called Margaret and you want to put a mobile number in there to give her a ring when a code's ready, you could do that as well. And then once you've filled everything in, you just press click here to order, and it would create what we call a ticket, which is an order, and it would go into the waiting section at the top. Anything that's pending that we're waiting on codes will arrive here. Now be careful, some codes are instant, so you might find that they go straight from your process orders, skip the waiting, and go in your archive. So always check your archive and your waiting before you place an order, because last thing you want to do is order twice. And that's pretty much it, how it all works. Any questions, just give us a shout. Thanks for watching.